Transparency is more than just sharing information. It's about creating an environment where trust can flourish. When organizations are open and honest, people feel valued and supported, laying the foundation for stronger relationships and a positive workplace culture. Clear and honest communication is at the heart of organizational transparency. When leaders share relevant information about goals, changes, and challenges, employees are better equipped to contribute meaningfully. This openness reduces uncertainty, fosters a sense of belonging, and encourages collaboration among team members. Transparency also means admitting mistakes and sharing lessons learned. When leadership models accountability and openness, it inspires trust and resilience throughout the organization. Employees feel safe to voice concerns and ideas, knowing their perspectives are respected and their contributions matter. Transparency is a powerful tool for building lasting trust within organizations. By fostering open communication and supporting accountability, organizations create environments where everyone feels empowered and valued. The result is a healthier, more resilient workplace where trust thrives.